Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to draw neon in IbisPaint X. First, ensure your canvas has a dark background. This makes the neon pop. Next, add a new layer directly above your main artwork. Change this layer's blending mode to add or screen for an intense light effect. Finally, select a bright, vibrant color that you want your neon to be. Now, let's build the initial glow. Pick a soft airbrush tool from your brush menu. Carefully apply your chosen neon color over the desired areas, like lines or shapes. Remember to adjust the brush size and opacity to create a smooth, diffused light. For a stronger effect, duplicate this glow layer once or twice. To make your neon truly shine, add another new layer and set its blending mode to add. On this layer, use a much lighter version of your neon color, or even pure white, to paint the very core of your light source. This creates the brightest point. Then, apply a Gaussian blur filter to this layer, with a radius of about 10 to 20 pixels to soften the edges. For the final touches, explore IbisPaint X's built-in filters. The Glow Outer filter can add a beautiful, subtle halo around your neon. Adjust its radius and color to complement your design. Play with the opacity of your glow layers to achieve the perfect brightness. Once satisfied, you can merge your glow layers or keep them separate for more flexibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.